So now let's see how we can animate an entire page inside of Pixlr Designer. But for that we need some elements. So I'm just going to go around and bring in a shape right here, just like this. So let's just go around, bring in a shape and bring in another shape over here and keep it down over here just like this. And I'm going to go around and bring in a text as well and name it tube and choose a color of it right here just like this. So in order to animate this particular page, all you need to do is go to the animate button on the left side, and over here you can see that there's different animation options. Right now it's set to none, but what you can simply do is go to fade, and each of the elements in the page comes one by one faded out, as you can see right here. You can also go for rise and you can go for tumble, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is simply hover over and you see a preview, and you can simply go around and choose the animation as you like right here. So let me just go to parallax, and then that is applied. You want to preview the animation again, then you can go around and just press the play button. And that is how you add animation to the entire page right here. So your entire design can simply be animated, as you can see right here. So that is how you can utilize the Animate Page effect inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.